Namaste. Today we will solve a question number 6 from exercise 11.4 class 7 NCERT maths. Let's have a look at the question. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and a parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. Now, as I always keep on telling you, read this question correctly, carefully and completely. Break the question in parts and visualize the question. So let's follow this technique. Here, one rectangular park has been given to us where the length is 700 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Now, parallel road has been constructed to its sides, so something like this. But if you read this question carefully, this road cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park and they are 10 meter wide. So these roads are 10 meter wide and they are cutting each other at right angles through the center of the rectangular park. That means something like this. Something like this, right? Now, how we can solve this question? If you see, this road are rectangle in shape. This road is rectangle and this road is also rectangle. So we know how to find the area of this rectangle. Area of the road is equal to length into breadth. Now we will find the area of the park including road, that means this shape, and we will subtract area of the road. So we will get area of park excluding road, that is area of park excluding road is equal to area of park minus area of roads. Clear? Isn't it look like easy? But if you look at the picture very carefully, this road and this road are overlapping each other at this point. If you can see the circle which is blinking, so the calculation part become little tricky over here. Now let us keep this question in a geometrical way. This is our rectangular park, in fact you can say, and this question will be very easy if you label it. Just draw the diagram first, something like this. Now say this ABCD be a rectangular park. So here it is A, B, C and D. Let's say LMNO be a road 1. So here this is road 1, that is L M N O, and let's say PQRS be a road 2, that is this road PQRS, and importantly this road is intersecting at the center with each other, that is overlapping. Let's say EFGH, this part. So it is EFGH. Now area of roads is equal to area of PQRS road plus area of LMNO, that is another road, minus area of EFGH, that is the square part of the middle. So let's have the dimension of these respective shapes. So here for ABCD, that is the whole park, we need to find length and breadth. So here this is the length already given to us 700 meter and breadth 300 meter. So for ABCD, L and B are 700 meter and 300 meter respectively. Now for LMNO, that is one road, length and breadth we have to find. So please observe this diagram very carefully here. Look at this side of the rectangular part. It is 300 meter. Now can you see this side is same as the size of the road? Can you see here this side of the park is same as the road side of the road. So length of the road is also going to be equal to say 300 meter and breadth So that is the width of the road. It is 10 meter. You can see here. So B is equal to 10 meter. Same way, say for PQRS. Can you see this length and breadth for PQRS? Look at this side of park, that is DC. It is same as the size of this RS. Can you see here? So length of this road also become 700 meter, and breadth, if you can see, that is width of the road, that is nothing but 10 meter. And for this EFGH at the center, it is 10 meter. So the side of the square become 10 meter. Now we have to find area of each of these. So you know the formula for finding area of rectangle? Yes, that is L into B. Substituting the value in respective all these things, we will get some value which I am not going to take your time for that. Here, these are the value for us. Now, we will substitute this result into the formula. So, area of roads is equal to 7,000 plus 3,000 minus 100. That is 10,000 minus 100, and that is equal to 9,900 meters square. Remember, this is the area of the road. We have to find area of park excluding road. That is area of park minus area of roads, and that is 2,10,000 minus 9,900, and that gives us 2,100 meters square. But if you read the last line of the question, we have to give our answer in hectares. So you know very well 10,000 meters square is equal to 1 hectare. So dividing this result by 10,000, we get 20.01 hectare. Hope you have understood the question. Please pause the video, watch it carefully, understand and practice for some time. Thanks for watching.